Hello guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Rayhon Paz. Look at the mirror. What do you see? The outcome of your decisions in your defenseless state. The souvenir of wonderful memories staring right back at you. All in one picture. You may wonder how the poor small thing can fit all that in it. But who cares? Everyone should accept you the way you are. The tailor is to blame if your clothes can contain you. It's the weekend and the time for a cheat meal. Even though you cheated all week, inshallah از شنبه.
Ingredients for chicken breast sandwich cake.
Bread, chicken breast, chopped and cooked. Cooked and chopped. Chopped scallions. Chopped pickles. Salt, pepper, thyme powder, chopped walnuts, lemon juice, mayonnaise, chopped vegetables, coriander, parsley, add chicken, scallions, vegetables, pickles, walnuts, lemon juice, spices, and mayonnaise. Mix them together. Cut perfect rectangles out of bread, considering L as layers and N as the number of sandwiches we need, and multiply L plus 1 pieces of bread. That's the result of having an engineer as a director. Rub some mayonnaise on the plate. Rayhon, you are the nightmare of every geometry teacher. And on each layer of bread, add the mixture and flatten. Press it and repeat for each layer. Don't wait for me to finish the sentence, because I won't. Now for the last layer. Cover each side with mayo. It's not the end, or maybe it is. Now try your best to make it look beautiful. You have 3 seconds to like and subscribe to our channel. Let it rest in the fridge for 2 hours. Enjoy your cheat meal.